Retire like a genius.
How to become a retirement genius. How to live a recession-proof retirement. Economic downtimes can be scary, especially for people who are retired. But whether a person is saving for retirement or living in retirement now, there are a number of strategies to minimize the impact of inflation or recession. Here are 10 strategies people can take to create and live a recession-proof retirement. 1. During an economic downturn and market volatility, don't panic sell investments in assets and securities and lock in your losses. 2. Maintain an investment mix that keeps enough cash to cover 2 years of retirement budget. A good idea is putting money into a money market account, which will yield higher rates of return as the Federal Reserve increases interest rates. 3. Look at investing in bonds and treasuries for safer returns during down economic times that will also grow as interest rates are increasing. 4. Pay down debt, especially credit cards or anything tied to an adjustable rate. 5. It's time to reevaluate and prioritize how you spend your money and get on a budget. Check your account statements regularly and don't be afraid to call and question or even challenge charges you don't recognize or agree with. 6. Hold off on buying real estate or refinancing a mortgage during times when interest rates are on the rise, unless you have an adjustable rate mortgage that's blowing up with increasing interest rates. 7. Evaluate your entitlements such as Social Security and Medicare. Don't miss annual Medicare open enrollment and try to hold off collecting Social Security until you reach age 70 and can get the maximum monthly benefit. 8. Provide security for the future by looking at life insurance today. 9. Guarantee a lifetime income or funds for long-term care with annuities. Annuities can also provide protection from fluctuations in the market with minimum guaranteed rates of return. 10. Look to assets such as a home or life insurance policies as a possible source of income. A reverse mortgage can generate monthly cash flow, and a life settlement can liquidate an unneeded or unwanted life insurance policy for cash today. Times of economic uncertainty and turmoil require a mix of patience and creativity to get through to the other side. It's best not to panic, and remember that what goes down will also go back up again.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.